Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Softr HubSpot for lead capture and routing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Softr with HubSpot for lead capture and routing, start by logging into your Softr account. Create a new application by clicking on the Create New App button. Choose a template that fits your needs, or start from scratch if preferred. Once you've created the app, you will be directed to the app editor. In the app editor, select the page where you want to add your lead capture form. Click on the Add Block option on the left menu. Choose the form block under the Forms section. Drag and drop the form block onto your selected page. Now, customize your form fields according to the information you want to collect. Typically, include fields for name, email, phone number, and any other relevant information. Once you've designed your form, navigate to the Settings tab of the form block. Here, you will find the option to integrate with HubSpot. Click on the Connect with HubSpot button. This will prompt you to log into your HubSpot account. Log in and authorize Softr to access your HubSpot data. After connecting, select the HubSpot list where you want the leads to be routed. Also, make sure to map the fields from your Softr form to the corresponding HubSpot properties. Review your settings and click Save to finalize the integration. Now, preview your application to ensure everything looks as expected. Once satisfied, publish your Softr application by clicking the Publish button. Next, to test the lead capture, fill out the form using a test email and other details. After submission, check your HubSpot account to verify that the lead appears in the designated list. If everything is working correctly, you have successfully set up Softr and HubSpot for lead capture and routing. Explore advanced features in both tools to enhance your lead management process further. Consider setting up automated workflows in HubSpot to nurture these leads. With this integration, you can efficiently capture, track, and manage your leads for better conversion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.